Just north of Traverse City, the beautiful DeYoung Natural Area and Historic Farm sprang to life this past Earth Day as over 150 volunteers, young and old, joined in on a tree and shrub planting extravaganza. Planning for this day started months before, with the Grand Traverse Band of Ottawa and Chippewa Indians proposing a habitat restoration partnership involving the Leelanau Conservancy, Conservation Resource Alliance, and the Green Spire School of Traverse City. The Leelanau Conservancy owns and manages the DeYoung Preserve.
My name is Becky Hill. I'm the Natural Areas and Preserves Manager with the Leelanau Conservancy. Our goal is to steward this land and take care of it, which has a lot of parts to it, stewardship. And one is to make sure that we're improving the wildlife habitat, trying to prevent or slow the process of invasive species coming in. I think it's just really tricky because the speed at which invasive species can come in and invade an area and the environment can't really adapt that quickly. And so we're helping the natural succession by planting these native plants in combination with invasive shrub work to help the environment adapt to these changes that are happening really quickly.
Tina Frankenberger is a tribal council member for the Grand Traverse Band.
When we come together and do things like this, we start with a prayer, and that is a prayer to honor everybody that came together to do this good work. And it is a prayer honoring our ancestors, our relatives, all the plants, the trees, and Mother Earth. And it was a prayer to bring us together in a good way to do this good work. And the drums are another way that we honor each other, we honor the trees, the plants, and the earth. And it's just bringing together that good energy and giving that blessing and that honoring to the work that's being done here today. As Native people, it's part of our teachings. It's to care for Mother Earth and to take care of the environment, and we view the trees as being our relatives. The trees and the plants, they're all our relatives, and we care for them like they are our family members, because they are. And so with today being Earth Day, it's just a natural place for us to be, is helping to care for the earth and plant trees and take care of the environment, and looking out for the next 7 generations, because these trees will be here for many years to come, and we're looking at taking care of things not just for today or tomorrow, but for future generations that come along. So.
Tribal conservationist Melissa Witkowski was thrilled with the turnout.
It's amazing having all these students here and agencies and volunteers all come together and accomplish planting 675 trees.
For the students of Green Spire School, the day was more than tree planting and habitat restoration. Here's science educator Corey Hansen.
Our fourth quarter project has our students and staff thinking about the roles that trees play in the landscape. Both the ecological services that they perform in terms of sequestering carbon from the atmosphere, intercepting water, providing habitats, food, and so many other things, but also the financial value of trees in the urban landscape and how they can mitigate energy costs by providing a windbreak or shade. So we couldn't be happier to be here in this collaborative effort to put trees in the ground on this site. We like to think of trees as solutions in motion.
And this is really like building partnerships and working together, and that's what it's about. It's not just one person or one group taking care of the environment or Mother Earth or our relatives. It's all of us working together to protect that resource.